Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us. Today we'll be solving this equation, this trigonometric expression. Okay, evaluate sine 36 divided by sine 12 minus cos 36 divided by cos 12. So in order for us to solve this question, we'll be using our compound angle formulas as well as our double angle formulas. So the reason I always write this thing down is so that you can read them and make sure that you keep them in your mind and you know them by heart. Okay. So whenever you are dealing with fraction, whenever you are adding or subtracting fraction, you are solving this type of expression, you want to make sure that you take this and change them to become a single fraction. You want to deal with the single fraction. In this case, we have two fractions, this and this. We want to make them a single fraction. So whenever we're dealing with such, we want to change them from this form to become a single fraction. So how do we do that? So for subtraction and addition of fraction, we need to make the denominators to be the same, because the rules of addition and subtraction says if the denominators are the same, we can take the denominator as it is and add the numerators. Okay. So our LCD, lowest common denominator, our LCD is sine 12 cos 12. So our LCD is actually the product of our denominators, sine 12 cos 12. So now the question that you will ask yourself, what can I do to this denominator so that it becomes like this LCD? What can I do to this denominator so that it becomes like this LCD? Okay, so this is what we do. So in order for this denominator to become like this, we need to multiply this denominator by cos 12, but whatever that we do at the bottom, we do at the top. So that's why we multiplied by cos 12 divided by cos 12. Even on this side, for this denominator to become like this denominator, we need to multiply the top and the bottom by sine 12. This is why we multiply the top and the bottom by sine 12. Okay, so now we have sine 12 cos 12, sine 12 cos 12. So now we have our denominators are now the same, so we can subtract our numerators. So we have taken this denominator as it is and subtracted our numerators. You see? Okay. We have sine 36 cos 12 minus 46 cos 36 sine 12. So looking at our compound angle formula, we see that this one is the same as this one. So this means we can reduce it from this form to this form. Okay? It will become sine 36 minus 12. If this is our A and this is our B, this is our A, this is our B, same as this means it becomes sine A minus B. This is what we have, sine A minus B, which is 36 minus 12. Okay, looking at this sine 12 cos 12, we see that if we multiply, if we have 2 here, it can become a double angle. A double angle needs a 2. So we need a 2 for this one to become a double angle. So we multiply the top and the bottom by 2 in order to make this whole thing to become a double angle. Okay. Now we have this 36 minus 12. We have 24. 2 sine 12 cos 12. It is our double angle for sine. So we will take it from this form to this form. So this is what we have. Sine 2, 24. 2 sine 12 cos 12 becomes sine 24. So sine 24 divided by sine 24 is equals to 2. So this is it for this question. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. This question was taken from Mind Action Series textbook. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to send us a text. So follow us and like our page. Thank you very much for tuning in. See you on the next lesson.